Hey guys, it's Parker the Parker here, and welcome back to another video. Sorry, I feel a bit sick today, a lot of stuffed up. My nose is stuffed up. I don't feel very well. End of story. Anyways, this is episode 2 of Pokemon Moon. Let's start playing the laddies. Sorry, you guys might be annoyed. My nose is running, like I already said, and I'm just gonna be sniffling. So I don't have any Kleenex near me, so the joys. Load. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so we ended off here in Iki Town when we're about to meet the Island Kahuna. Let's go meet the Island Kahuna. I'm questioning my authorities as a child. There's a mysterious young lady. Okay, Parker, you should just stop trying right now, okay? Okay, let's go. Because I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. No one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. My whole life is like, Johto League champions, guys. Questioning things a lot lately. If I'm not pausing on the text for long enough, you guys can just pause the video and read it if you guys really want. But if you have already played Pokemon Sun or Moon, you probably already know. As I bought Pokemon Sun the day Pokemon Sun Moon came out, November 18th. Spro, bro. Wait, I just need to adjust. Don't worry, guys. Just adjusting to the harsh environments. Hello. What's wrong? Help. Save Nebby. But who is Nebby? That is Nebby. But how do I know Nebby is one of the Spearows? Like, actually, though. Oh, okay. Oh, makes sense. I want to fall. I really want to fall. Pew. Oh, sorry guys. Volume was down. Volume where? There we go. Tapu Koko. Oh, bro, parkouring. That's my thing. Discharge. Pew, pew, pew. I'm a gun. Tapu Koko. Pew pew. Who are you? Can you, like, I don't know, tell me your name? Sure thing, my dude, it's a secret. Get in the bag, Nabby. In the bag. Yay, I have legs. And I have to walk all the way back. Or not. Hey, PKR, the PKR. Looks like you missed a kahuna, yeah? Ah, take good care of me, no thanks. I already have a mother. Have I missed something? Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm just gonna need to cut the video. I need to get some Kleenex. Hooray! Okay guys, that's much better. Now, every time I cut during this video, that's gonna be me, trying to blow my nose. And yes, I said trying. I'm not that good at it. Anyways, let's go. It's a skill, alright? Don't judge me, okay? Rowlet. Litten. Papio. Yes, I'm a dog. I do not know if I am a dog. Therefore, I will put a question mark after everything I say. Bark, bark, bark. I am questioning my species. You know what? I've been thinking really hard about what starter I was gonna get when I started playing, and everyone knows which one I'm going to get. Rowlet. Boom. You chose Rowlet. It would be weird if there was actually like a 50-50 chance that your started Pokemon would choose you. So you had to choose another one, dude. But no, mechanics don't work that way, apparently. Cool. Yay! Looks a bit tickled. What do I like to give Rowlet a nickname? One second, I'll get back to you when I decide, okay? Because it always goes first, man. Oh, Route 1, right? Piggyback. Yeah, one of these days I'll be able to show you guys the bottom screen as well as the top screen. One day. Just so that you guys know, there will be a moment in this series where I just sort of get bored of it and then take a large break, like maybe 2 weeks, and then I'll start doing the Sun and Moon videos again. But that's just, I don't know, I have a weird habit of doing stuff like that. Some potions. Some Pokeballs and Pokebeans. Coolio. Okay. I'll get back to you. I need to blow my nose. And I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's head on with our Pokemon journey, shall we? I'm just gonna end the video by catching a Pokemans. All depends which one it is, though. Do I want to? No, I don't want to catch a Pikipek. I will kill him for the experience. Or the more kid-friendly version of saying that, I will make him go to sleep for the time of it. There we go. Definitely. critical hit. Oh my gosh. Wow. I gotta catch some more Pokemons, bro. We can see now. I'm playing Pokemon. I'll get a Butterfree. Why not? I like butt turds that are free. They're pretty cool. Swag. 1 damage. Oh my gosh. Gotta use a Pokeball, bro. Some swag OG Pokemon balls. Caterpie's dad will be added to the Pokédex. Can I like not give Caterpie a nickname? Sweet. A young goose. Probably just gonna kill him for that experience points, bro. I need to get to that level 7 grind. Woo! Gotta catch them all, guys. Hashtag only caught 1 Pokemon 2 episodes in. Oh my gosh. Like pro. Oh, swag. Another Caterpie. Gotta kill him. Strength shot. No, my speed. It's so harsh. No, my speed's going down for real. Eh. Cool. Yay. Whoopie-doo. Another one of those dang picky pecks, bro. I don't want any of this. Oh my gosh, just spam A. Spam it. Spam. Oh. I'm gonna die. Just kidding, bro. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to go into bag. I need to use a potion. I used a potion on one of me Pokemons. successfully used a potion on one of my Pokemons. Oh no. Another one. Venture on 4th, guys. Dang it. Another one. This makes me very sad inside. Okay, I need to blow my nose again. Sorry, guys. And I'm back, folks. Let's do this. A spam for the win. Seriously, my dude. I just want you dead. Thank you, dude. Thank you, duder. Okay. I need to collect this Pokeball that actually isn't a Pokeball that actually has something inside the Pokeball, but somehow I don't get the Pokeball that has something inside it. Even though Pokeballs are only used for catching Pokemon items, how is this even possible, guys? A potion. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know, that's a good part right over there, but I'm not gonna stare him in the eye, or walk past him, you know, I'm just gonna chill, bro, chill. I'm stalking this little kid from behind him, guys. What should I do next? Next time on Pokemon Moon series, Parker the Parker. Anyways, I'm afraid that's where I'm gonna have to save the game, guys. And I'm also, this is sad for you guys to hear, but I'm gonna have to end the video there, guys. See you in the next one. Bye. Ka-chow. Sorry, guys. As you can see, I wasn't in the mood to edit because I was sick. Maybe next time I'll try and put more effort into it.